To set up linked record fields in Airtable, firstly, you will need to have at least 2 tabs in your base. Here we have, for example, blog posts and blog categories, which we want to link with each other. In the blog posts tab, I will set up a new field, link to another record. I will give it a name, and I will untick allow linking to multiple records, as this is to link to a single field. I will skip adding a lookup field, because that's not necessary at this stage. And I can now select one category for each blog post. These categories are taken from the blog categories tab. And you can do that for each of your blog posts as an example. If you go over to the blog categories tab, you will see that a field has been created, and that links the blog posts which are related to each category. Same for a multiple record field. Give it a name, and this time I will leave allow linking to multiple records ticked, because we want now to link to several blog categories. Skip the lookup field, and now I can actually select as many or as few as I want of the blog categories, which also appear automatically here, but this time I can select several of them for each blog post. Continue to do that. Select as many or as few as you want. And once you're done, you can actually go over to the blog categories tab, and you will see that a new field has been created that actually lists as well all the blog posts related to each category. And that's it. If you go back to your blog post tab, you now have a single reference field, single record link, and a multiple reference field.